We do only wholesale prices. We don't do retail.
I came here to buy my plumbing materials and I have never regretted coming here. This is the only place you can get the cheapest plumbing materials to buy. And this man right here is the best friend I've ever made in my life, because he was the only person to be truthful to me that if he doesn't have anything here and I go to any shop, this is the actual price they sell it. And from that day, I've decided to come and say thank you to him. So we are here at
best quality plumbing. From plumbing pipes, all sizes, plus 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, 2 inches, sizes, na Interplus, Duraplus, plumbing fittings, beer size, beer, PVC fittings, PR fittings, PPR pipes, water closets, wash and basins, BBR, plumbing materials, K22, K28, K26, so wholesale prices. We do only wholesale prices. We don't do retail. And Toba has a wholesale prices now. Oba check price na unya price no be bia biem agesa hanko ha oba kantamanto o second road unya do o second road a do tago junction akota go ha ya na top pipes or junction.
Into Kwame, this is the way I can say a big thank you to you. That very day I'm better conduit pipes are okaze unibia. You asked me to go to another shop, but you told me the actual price. 50 day no anyone can make dining come and guys, you can also come here anytime, any day. I'll put his contacts here so that you can also purchase from him. He's the best man so far. The Michelle.